What up, gang? The notorious check engine light is back. 6th check engine light since post flash. Again, I'm going to take it back to the dealership just so they can notate it again. They told me to bring it back every time it happens. But either this bike is a flipping lemon or Honda's got a really big problem. But the check engine light is back. The saddest part about it was I only went to go and charge the battery by going up and down the boulevard here. And when I went to the stoplight, it just basically turned back on. So again, I am never, ever, ever buying another Honda CBR 1000R. This bike is literally $18,000 worth of crap. I wish I never bought it. Cannot wait to get my freaking BMW. Just talked to my guys over there at the Cape Fear, and it's actually been shipped. It just left, you call that. So it's going to be here in about not I'd say 2.5. It's probably going to be here in about 3.5 weeks. So once we do that, I'm going to be able to go up there. They're going to do the whole uncrating. This bike is getting shipped up there, and it's going to get dropped off, and I'm never, ever, ever looking back. Just going to have the BMW in the stable. All the other bikes are doing great. R1, ZX10 dialed. We got it all figured out here, including the quick shifter. And on top of that, my R1M, my coveted R1M. I still love this bike to death. But guys, I just don't understand what's going on with this flipping bike. I don't even ride it. I mean, I literally don't ride it. You guys can see that's a 2023 model. I don't even ride this freaking bike. And again, the check engine light comes on. 6th time the check engine lights come on. I didn't even ride it hard. It's just complete disappointment, this bike. Just absolutely disappointing. Anyway, I've already crapped on Honda enough. I know it's terrible, guys. I'm not ever really a negative person, but I gotta say what I gotta say, only because the truth is the truth. I will never buy one of these bikes again. Anybody looking at these bikes, you may want to go ahead and consider other options, mainly because it's so bad. Anyway, guys, love you all. Cheers.